want you to take everything you know about contouring and throw it out the window. Because the truth is, the way you contour your face is specific to your face shape. And where you place those shadows matter. And this is what I call my double chin method. Take your chin, push it into your neck, and make a double chin face. I know this looks ridiculous, just stick with me. Place your finger exactly where your chin meets your neck. For me, it's this roll. Now relax your chin. Everything back here is where you're gonna place your shadow. I'm just gonna create a little line like that. Make that face again. Line your index finger up and towards your thumb. Everything back here is gonna be contoured. Now something I like to do is pull this up through my sideburn to really bring the face in. And now our bottom border is established. Let's get to the cheek. I like to start at the top of the ear and you'll find the highest point. Lay your finger right here, and instead of drawing the contour through here, you're actually gonna go above, because placing a shadow higher lifts the face, just like this. And lastly, we're gonna contour the eye. Take your thumb, feel for your crease bone, and place a little contour right at the tail end of that bone, just like this. Now take a brush that's small with tightly packed bristles and a rounded edge and buff that contour out. I'm working in small but quick circular motions. You can see how the product's dispersing and starting to create a gorgeous shadow. For the cheekbone, instead of pulling down towards the mouth, we're gonna go in a U shape towards the nose, cradling the apple of our cheeks. Just start by sweeping towards the nostril to get that color dispersed, followed up by tiny circular motions to blend it out. And now with the same brush, hold it on its side and start to pull the color from the corner of your eye up towards the temple, never down, always up. This is what it should look like all blended out. And this is the completed look. You got nice segmented areas with a gorgeous contoured shadowy jawline, cheekbones that scoop up towards the nose to lift the face. And best of all, it's a custom contour that you created specifically for your beautiful face shape.